Tonight's family cooking night. It happens about 3 times a semester at different school sites. Tonight we're making a recipe that is taking the classic ramen noodles, but making it more nutrient dense by adding things like bone broth for more protein, seasoned eggs for more protein, and instead of using the seasoning packet it comes with, we're using real ingredients like sesame oil, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, jalapenos. Students bring their families and they each have their own cooking station where they have induction cookers and pots, cutting boards, knives, everything they need to make their meal, and they make their meal together, and then we all enjoy our meal sitting together as well. The positive effects of eating meals together as a family, it increases your mental health, your spiritual health, and your physical health. We're seeing students, when eating with their families, have increased test scores, more success in the classroom, better friendships, better relationships, increased self-esteem and confidence. Putting that together with cooking skills just builds like this super confident young individual who feels confident in the kitchen but also can sustain a conversation at the table and enjoys being together.